going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're still working on the MR2. We still have a few days to meet our deadline. Our deadline is the 11th, 10th, and today's the 2nd of November, or 3rd. Yeah, 3rd is 5 o'clock in the morning, so 3rd. And yeah, guys, we have little less than a week to finish this MR2 and get it ready for the streets. Anyways, guys, the vinyl wrap is 75-80% done. I'm still missing this portion right here, the front bumper, the hood, the mirrors, these spats down here in the bottom, and this right here, and then that's it. But as you guys can see, we gotta clean this engine, man. This engine is super dirty. We got some sandpaper down there. We got some gloves there. I don't know. And it's just super, super dusty. So the plan is to clean out the whole engine bay. We're gonna go ahead and paint this flat black just to match the intake manifold. And again, I am debating whether to paint the block myself, because we are going turbo. The goal is simple, guys. The goal is to have the cleanest engine bay. I think I'm top 10, maybe top 15 on the NA world, but on the turbo world, everybody has like ugly engine bays, and it's super dusty. I don't know why. Like, clean your engine bays. I don't know. It's crazy. I don't know if it's just me. So that's the goal, guys, to have the cleanest engine bay in the world when it comes to the MR2 Turbo 2GR, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, guys, we went ahead and ordered some zinc plated bolts too there for the BC coils. We're gonna do that. Of course, we got to detail the engine lid and the shroud, and we also have to rewrap the vinyl on the engine lid because this is really, really bad. You can't see it, but it's really, really bad, especially on the other side. Another thing that we did, we went ahead and we had the trim on the windshield replaced. I had to pay out of pocket just because the insurance was giving me the runarounds. Here in the state of Florida, windshield replacement is free, but they just didn't want to warranty the seal. I don't know why. It is what it is, you know. This was the old seal that I had. It was from it's a generic brand from Safelite. Guys, I highly suggest buying your own seal, and if they're gonna do it, have them install it. This is the part number and whatnot. So we did that yesterday, and we still got a lot of things to wrap. We got to wrap the front bumper, the hood. I went ahead and I went to the storage and picked up the hood. I've had this hood for a couple of years now. It's been in storage. So, sorry guys, I have no space. I have to clean it first. It's not in the best condition paint-wise, but it's straight and it works. So yeah, I just got to give it a good cleaning. So we're going to do that today. We're going to go ahead and wrap it as well. And, sorry, guys. Tight fit. And also, guys, we're just going to go ahead and clean out the interior. So we got a lot of things to do. And, yeah, man, this is the interior. This is how it's looking. Is it perfect? No, hell no. But it's a mess right now. Everything is just taken apart and whatnot. But yeah, guys, that's what we got. And let's get to it. We're gonna start with the engine bay because this is the easiest one, and then we'll start with the interior, and then the hood, because I gotta sand it down, and I'm gonna do that outside because I don't wanna dirty my garage. But yeah, guys, let's get to it and enjoy. Dale. So we got new zinc plated bolts. I got them from Amazon, and here is the actual millimeter when it comes to, I think that's a 10. And yeah, there you go. So it's a 10 times 1.25. All right, guys? For those that are wondering. Leave that there. And you're gonna tighten it to, let's check our diagram here. If it didn't fall off. Ooh, this is the foot-pounds of torque, just for anybody wondering. There you go. Yeah, so we're gonna do that after everything is cleaned and whatnot. So, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. All right, let's get back to it. Now we're gonna mix our degreaser and start cleaning. But first we're gonna move this glove, remove and we're gonna blow everything first before we even start. Work easier and smarter. Remove all that dust all the way. All right, boys. The greaser that I'm going to be using is going to be, there you go. Now it's clean, it's dry, and now we're just gonna hit it with some hyper dressing. And I think that's it. I think we're done here. This was quick. Yeah, boys, this was quick. Let's go ahead and install the these little panels. And boy, you already know it's clean and ready to paint. And let's spray some paint. And this is what I'm using for those that are wondering. High heat. So we painted this bracket right here. We changed all the bolts that were black. These are them. We cleaned out the engine bay. We cleaned out the shroud. Everything here is looking good. Now we're gonna start working on the interior. This is the condition of it. It's in pieces. I was working behind the radio a few days ago, and we gotta do that. We also gotta change the door not the door hinges, the hood hinges, and we gotta clean that OEM hood that we have there, sand it down, wrap it, and yeah, that's what we got. This is looking good, and this is just a quick update. I'll be right back once this is completed. Damn, this is looking good. This is the best engine in the world. Right, boys, so we're gonna start working here in the front. I did install new hood hinges. I did a separate video, a 5-minute video on how to remove the hood hinges without removing the fenders. I nicked it over there on the paper, but it is what it is. We're gonna continue with this video. Right now, we're gonna clean out this area. As you guys can see, it is super, super duper dirty. The hood is good. No bends, no nothing whatsoever. I just have to sand it down, just get it ready for the vinyl paper. Now, I'm not sure if it's gonna stick on parts that are primered. That's my next question. I'm not sure. I don't think so. I don't think it adheres to primer. So I think I'll have to paint these areas that are primered, or I'm not sure. We'll check it out. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and sand it down because it is in need of a lot of work. I bought this a few years ago and I only paid 80 bucks. 80 bucks. A hood nowadays is gonna cost you over $200-300. But at least it's good. And yeah, that's what I got, guys. But hopefully once it's sanded down, everything is good, and it'll stick to the vinyl. But let me go ahead and clean everything here. I am gonna remove these hinges here, and of course paint it. You guys know how we do everything that we touch. We try to, you know, refresh, clean, so that it's easier on us next time around. So of course you gotta change out these bolts, so new bolts, paint these hinges right here, and just clean. So enjoy the time lapse, guys. Dale.
Let me tell you something.
Good morning, peeps. We've been at it for a few hours now, about 5 hours. New hood hinges. We have cleaned everything inside here. We cleaned the hood. We sanded the hood. We cleaned the hood again. We primered the hood. We cleaned again. We sanded down the primer. We cleaned again. We vinyl wrapped it. That's how long I've been doing this. We also just wrapped this real quick. It's there. And look at my heat gun, man. It's destroyed in pieces. But yeah, guys, I do have to do my final cuts, but I'll do that later on. All right, man. Boys, we're gonna end the video here. It's already a 13-14 minute video so far, so you want to shorten it down. I don't want to bore you guys, but the brackets are cleaned. New bolts, everything here is installed, cleaned, and ready to go. Again, I just gotta cut do my final cuts. The bumper, not the bumper, the front hood, it's looking great. It's looking amazing. It's not perfect, guys. This is vinyl wrap. It's not perfect. I'm still learning. This is the first time I vinyl wrap the whole car. So yeah, it is what it is. We went ahead and we also resprayed this, because we did hit it with some primer there. We were doing this part right here. But yeah, guys, it's ready to install. And if you guys are going to be working on an MR2, you definitely need this. These are retainer clips. It's 130 plus 105 pieces and whatnot. And pretty much these clips have pretty much everything. These also work for the interior, for the side panels, these panels and whatnot. So yeah, guys, I highly suggest you getting one of these. I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the description below. I don't get no money. This is not no, oh, you buy something I get money. No, this is you. If you want to go ahead and do it, that's on you. I get $0, nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and break down this video into 2 parts, just because it is a very long video, 15-16 minutes in so far, and we don't want to bore you guys. So yeah, guys, the next video, part 2, is going to be interior, trunk, finishing the vinyl wrap on the front bumper, and just getting this car ready and done. And then that's all I got. So we're almost ready and we're almost done. I can't wait. And you already know, don't forget to like, comment. Wait, I totally forgot. Thank you, everybody who subscribed to my channel. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. This is something very important to me. Now I got to get my watch hours up. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And man, thank you, Trump. We won. Shout out to all my Trump supporters. And if you Kamala supporter, it is what it is. Don't get mad at me. Yay. Maybe next time. On another note, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Dale.